In this video, I will show you my 2 months earnings with Kaiterra Sensedge Mini and also answer a hot question. Is it too late to buy one? Coming right up. If this video raised your interest but want to find out how to install and onboard the Kaiterra Sensedge Mini on PlanetWatch, watch my tutorial, link in the top right corner and in the description below. So let's start with the context. Kaiterra Sensedge Mini is a Type 3 PlanetWatch sensor. That means it's a scientific grade interior air quality sensor. Quite a mouthful, but yeah, a beast of a sensor. The rewards do not depend on tiers. So it does not depend if you place the sensor in your grandparents' house, in a village, or in a central city apartment. But we need to have only one in each location. It can earn up to 46 planets per day. But let's see how my 8 Kaiterras got in the over 2 month period since I have them. As you can see, I made a spreadsheet with all 8 of them, their rewards and for how long have they been earning rewards, as I couldn't onboard all of them in the same day. So you can see the total average is 44.8 planets out of the 46 maximum. So even if there are some days with problems regarding data transmission, it's not as bad as with Aware Element. And they still got almost the maximum reward. So in total I got 27,945 planets from them, which if we translate to fiat means $8,255 or 7,322 euros. Not bad for over 2 months. As you probably know, I keep most of my planets, but this is the current value of what my Type 3 sensors earned for me. Now you're probably asking, is it too late to buy one? Well, I will not explain the saturation point, recycle bin and rewards in details here. I will do so in another video and will put the link in the top right corner and in the description below. So nobody can foresee when the recycle bin will be emptied and the rewards will drop. What we can do is make a projection using 2 extremes, a best and a worst scenario. And we can say with a degree of confidence that the reality will be somewhere between them. As you can see, I made this spreadsheet and here I put a few things in order for us to make some kind of projection. First of all, I inputted the daily budget for Type 3. I also added the maximum reward, and yes, we are using the whole reward, not just the 80% that we get. That we have the amount of the plans that we have in the recycle bin at the moment for the Type 3. That is important. And how I'm doing the calculations is pretty simple but effective. So basically what I am doing is I am multiplying the number of sensors that we will put with the amount of maximum reward, and then we are going to subtract the daily budget because this is always working daily, and based on that we have the number of planets that we need to withdraw from the recycle bin in any given day in order to give to all the sensors in the network the maximum reward. And what we're going to do is we're going to divide the number to what we have in the recycle bin, and that will give us a number of days to last and months based on that static number of sensors. So right now I started with the current number of sensors in the network. As we can see, it's a little bit over the saturation point, and if everything stays the same, it will last for 840 days. Now, of course, this is not possible because the number of sensors will grow. It will not stay the same, probably not even for a day. So this is the highest margin that we can see right now. So 26 months, that's over 2 years. Let's see the other extreme. So I will put in 20,000 sensors, and we see that based on what we have right now in the recycle bin, for 20,000 sensors, if they were 2,000 sensors today, the recycle bin will hold for 84 days. That's almost 3 months. So this is the bare minimum because of course we will not have 20,000 sensors by tomorrow. So we can say with a certain degree of certainty that this is at least the minimum period in which the recycle bin will last. And we saw the other extreme. So let's see something in between, like 10,000 sensors. And on 10,000 sensors, the recycle bin will last for 8.5 months. So based on these projections, I hope that you have a little bit of more understanding on what is going on with the Type 3 rewards. Is it too late to get a Type 3 sensor? In my opinion, no. First, because we have so many planets in the recycle bin. Second, because this is the premium indoor sensor of the network and most likely owners will get additional rewards through data sales. And third, because we know that PlanetWatch wants to make measures to reduce the waiting time for buying a Type 3. And more than that, I think a lot of people are focusing too much on the ROI and the planets that they get today. The real profits will come in time if we keep at least a part of the tokens that we earn, and the project will continue to expand. If we sell all the planets that we get at 30 cents, 35, 45 cents, that is a sure way to make a quick buck, but also a sure way to miss the potential earnings on this project. That's it for this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned. Until next time, see ya!